How to get promo code for McDonald's application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily find promo code to use for discounts in McDonald's application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Google application in your device and navigate to the search bar. There type McDonald's promo code and hit the search icon. After that, you will see a lot of websites which provide you offer to use in McDonald's. Simply click on any one of the website. Once you open it, then you will see list of offers that you can use to get a discount in McDonald's order. So once you navigate and search for the perfect offer that you want to use to order in McDonald's, simply click on it. Once you do so, you will see this code, or sometimes it might directly lead you to the McDonald's official website where you can easily use that code which was automatically copied. So that's it. That is how easily you can find promo code to get a discount on McDonald's application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.